Hi, this is Carlos, and this is 60 Seconds with me.
Hi, Carlos. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, and time starts now. Carl's Jr., Burger King, or McDonald's?
Carl Jr., for sure.
Okay, yeah, nice. Beach safari or forest vacation?
Safari. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Favorite cartoon character?
Bender, the robot from Futurama.
Okay, cool. Best movie or TV series of all time?
Best movie, Matrix. Best TV series, Westworld.
Okay, cool. Song you sing in the shower?
I don't usually sing in the shower, but I whistle, so it's just that.
Okay, okay, cool. Something you're great at cooking?
Lasagna, I guess.
Oh, nice. What's the best advice you would give to your teenage self?
I guess it would be do more exercise.
Okay, nice. Okay, and time's up. Thank you, Carlos.
Thank you.
Are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame? Who's next?